Now we do have a clear roadmap. We have a clear prioritization of potential AI project. We know where and how to start. So we know how to kick off this AI journey. We really appreciated and value the availability, your availability, Kavita, your expertise. My name is Delphine Lages, and I work for private conglomerate in Mauritius called IBL Ltd. I am the Group Strategic Innovation and Excellence Executive. So basically, I drive some group project for the CEO with a very strong innovation aspect. So first of all, as a corporate office, with all the previous discussions and the observation I had on my colleagues, the way they were doing, I realized that we have a lot of manual, repetitive, and time-consuming tasks. We were doing things very, very manually. My discussions with CEO, we wanted to find a way to enhance operational efficiency across the departments like corporate office, but we lacked the understanding and the clarity on which process would most benefit from AI, and also where and how to begin. That was my first thing. Second, we knew that AI would drive significant productivity gains, as I said, and it was our main target, but we needed expert guidance, identifying and classifying the AI potential projects by prioritization so that we could know what the AI solution will allow to the best gains, and we needed that. And also there was, and still there is, quite a knowledge gap in how to integrate effectively into our existing workflows, or asking our good questions like what workflow we need to review. So bringing an external expertise really helped us navigate in this complex environment, and for us to create a clear roadmap for AI adoption. So where to begin. And last, we have little or no local AI expert available on the market. First of all, we focus only on, I would say, 2.5 departments, not all the corporate office departments, but out of these 2.5, we identify 60 projects, which was really challenges for the teams. And we were able to understand with your help that out of these 66, only 27 were solvable by AI. So it's only 29%. So it was very important for us to differentiate, to have this clear differentiation of what's software development, what's AI, and this is what we have now. This web also allowed us to understand the potential of implementing AI in terms of productivity gains. So not only hours of work, but also the financial aspect it could be. Also the team engagement impact. So the methodology Opinosis came with was a great involvement of all the team. Yeah, we work with them, we define with them. So they were very engaged. And I think this is, in the long term, it's very good for the company. It's also I think the work we've done with you also has positive impact in terms of enhancing our customer experience as well. Our capacity as an employer to attract and retain those talents, because as the work was very manual, this work helped giving a kind of vision to the people we work with. They were very excited about this technology. Now we do have a clear roadmap. We have a clear prioritization of potential AI project. We know where and how to start. So we know how to kick off this AI journey. I think it's a journey. This work with you with Opinosis helped us identify also potential solution providers, some costs, not all the costs, but also some costs associated with the implementation of those projects. For me, an initial assessment is crucial. It's the starting point, and it helps define the roadmap and set priorities. It's very important in the decision-making process, is to deeply understand the specific needs of the department or your company and the challenges that we're facing. It's very important to embark people doing the job. That's crucial. This assessment for me, to start the AI is key, as it helps identify areas where AI can add the most value, be it customer experience, providing team members with the correct tools, gaining productivity and efficiencies, streamlining the processes, or even driving innovation. So for me, an AI assessment at the beginning, also, I've seen that with the discussion with you and the team, it allows us also to assess the data readiness, which is very important. All the and have a better understanding of all the technical infrastructure, the talent capabilities, whether we do internally have the talent or not. Any implementation will rely on the teams doing the job. It's not just about implementing AI for the sake of it. Not at all. If you do that, I think you take a lot of risk. Of course, this AI vision, or when you start something like that, this journey, it's long, step by step, like pilot programs to reap up the benefits and demonstrate to others and create this trust environment about AI, which is very important. It's also all this work is also about aligning with our goals, which might have been lacking, but it's now to define and ensuring the right governance for AI. That was, I think, something very much. We have to be very careful in terms of all the ethical side of it, not only how it will be used, but what could be the consequences also of its implementation. But what's very important for leaders, that it's to encourage a culture that embraces change and continuous learning. I think AI, it's exactly doing that. So start small, do one project, learn from it, because we're talking about big transformation, and human beings, we don't like transformation. The communication has to be very clear, because teams need to know, what are we going to do with that? What are going to be am I going to lose my job or not? So we need to create this environment, and we had to have the stakeholder, the buying of all the stakeholder, the board, the CEO, and so on. This is key. It was a real pleasure working with you. I would like to thank you for your commitment and your patience as well. I look forward to continue our collaboration.